Chapter 8, Polar Regions, Greenland. Learning Objectives: Location, Climate, Vegetation, Wildlife, Life of the people, Occupation, Modern life of Greenlanders. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole, there is the Arctic Ocean. This ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe, and North America. Around the South Pole, there is the continent of Antarctica. Let's study about the polar region by taking the example of Greenland. Location: Greenland, which is the world's largest island and a territory of Denmark, lies on the north of the Arctic Circle. This island was explored by Erik the Red. The original inhabitants of Greenland, the Eskimos, call their land Kalalith Nunath, meaning our land. Greenland covers an area of about 2,175,000 square kilometers. Most parts of this island are covered with thick ice. The average thickness of ice is 1500 meters. Since Greenland remains under permanent snow and ice cover, it looks white. The warmest part of Greenland is its southwestern coast, where most of the Greenlanders live. Fact file: the total area of Greenland measures 2,166,086 square kilometers, that is 836,109 square miles, of which the Greenland ice sheet covers 1,755,637 square kilometers, which is 81%, and has a volume of approximately 2.85 million cubic kilometers. Climate: more than 4/5 of the total area of Greenland is covered with ice and snow. Most of the ice-free land is along the coast and has low mountains. Through the gaps in the mountains, ice spills into the sea to form the glaciers. When ice reaches the water, it sometimes breaks off from the main mass of ice and floats out into the sea as icebergs. It is difficult to know how large an iceberg is because 90% of it is hidden under the water and only the tip of it can be seen. Fact file: the US submarine USS Nautilus sailed under the Arctic ice sheet and reached the North Pole in 1958. This proved that huge ice sheet in the Arctic is actually floating on water. Vegetation: due to extreme cold, there is hardly any vegetation. Plants growth is not possible. There is no greenery on this land because the area remains covered with ice throughout the year. During the short summer season, short grass, mosses, and lichens grow. They are used as fodder for animals. Wildlife: only those animals which can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Among them are polar bear, sundar, musk ox, seal, polar wolf, and Arctic fox. Strong dogs called huskies are used for pulling sledges from one place to another. Several varieties of fish like trouts, salmon, and cod are found here. Also, many types of seabirds such as petrels, gulls, and puffins can be seen here. Life of the people: the original inhabitants of this island are called Eskimos, now called Inuits. They came to Greenland from North America about 1,000 years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to the harsh climate. Most of them have mixed with the Europeans and are now known as Greenlanders. The houses in which these people live are called igloos. These houses are made of blocks of ice cemented together with snow. Animal hides are used to cover the floor. Inuits can build these houses in 2 or 3 hours' time. Snow houses are made in winter, while the people live in tents of caribou skins or seal skins during the summer season. Now they live in modern flats and wooden houses. Greenland imports wood from other countries. In exchange, Greenland exports local products such as fish and fur. Occupation: the main occupation of people living in Greenland is fishing and hunting. They depend on the sea for food and for most of their needs. They hunt sea animals such as seals, walruses, whales, cod, and salmons. A kayak, small boat, is used for going out of sea for fishing. It is made of seal or walrus skin stretched over wooden frame. Life is very hard on this island because of the harsh climate. Earlier, Inuits used harpoons to catch fish and seals. A harpoon is a spear with a rope attached to it. They would wait for hours on the ice for seals, walruses, fish, etc. to come up for air by placing a rake or stick in a hole in the ice. When, if moved, the Inuit would quickly pierce the back of the animal with the harpoon. Nowadays, many Greenlanders use modern rifles and motorboats for hunting. They hunt seals during the winter. Animals such as wolves and beavers are hunted for their fur and meat. Trappers sell the fur, which is in great demand at trading posts and markets. The cold climate of Greenland makes it essential for people to wear warm clothes. Many of them wear clothes made of sealskin, which is warm as well as waterproof. They wear coats with fur-lined hoods called parkas, fur gloves, warm leggings, and long boots. Modern life of Greenlanders. The life of Greenlanders has changed a lot. They wear modern clothing, live in modern houses, and eat a variety of tinned food. Instead of kayaks and sledges, they use motorboats, helicopters, and snowmobiles. The Inuits have improved education, housing, and healthcare facilities. They are also provided training for jobs in manufacturing and service industries. They have also learned the art of carpentry, metalwork, and shipbuilding, mining, food processing. The log industries provide employment to the Inuit. The capital of Greenland is Gotthard or Nuuk. Holsteinsborg, known as Sisimiut, is a large port city. The major airport is Kangerlussuaq Airport, earlier known as Bluie West 8. It is an international airport. Greenland has 18 airfields now, out of which 14 are paved. The domestic flights are operated by Air Greenland. The official languages of Greenland are Greenlandic and Danish. English is also spoken widely across the country. Fact file: Australia is larger island compared to Greenland, but Australia is regarded as a continent and not as an island because of its size. Points to remember: the regions around the poles are called polar regions. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is located in the Arctic Circle. It experiences very cold climate throughout the year. Eskimos live in igloos built with ice blocks in Greenland. Their entire life depends on animals. The capital of Greenland is Gotthard or Nuuk.